If you want to factory reset your Samsung Galaxy A27 but you don't remember the password, and for example now you cannot really unlock the phone, then what you can do is you can go to the recovery mode with a little trick. Now in order to go to the recovery mode, we will need to use a computer and a USB cable. We have to connect our phone to a computer. Alright, now besides that, since we don't know the password, we cannot really turn off the phone, and this is something that is required to go to the recovery mode, because if you try to open the power menu and then power off the phone, the password is still required. So what you can do is you can perform a force restart of the phone, and then in the middle of that you can switch the combination of buttons to go to the recovery mode. So to do the force restart of the phone, you have to press and hold power and volume down buttons. You have to hold both of them until the screen shuts down. And once it happens, once the screen shuts down, you want to switch from volume down to volume up, and you want to hold power and volume up at the same time until you go to the recovery mode. So let's get right into it. So first I'm gonna press power and volume down and keep holding until the screen shuts down. And as I mentioned, then we need to switch to power and volume up. And unfortunately, force restarting on Galaxy A27 seems to be very slow. I mean, the phone seems to take quite a bit of time until it actually restarts. So we will have to hold power and volume up for a little bit of time now. So just patiently hold both of these buttons and don't let go until we actually go to the recovery mode. So soon we should see the Samsung logo. There we go. And right after that we should see the recovery mode. There we go. Now once we have the recovery mode, we can unplug the cable. It is no longer needed. And in this menu, we navigate by using volume buttons. So you want to use them to select wipe data / factory reset like that, and then use the power button in order to confirm. And then over here go to factory data reset and once again confirm with the power button. Most likely you will go back to this main menu of Android recovery, so if that is the case, you want to restart your phone, so choose reboot system now and confirm with the power button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.